Hello Boss Dreamer, and welcome back to my channel, the place for female entrepreneurs, managers and coaches. Today I want to chat a bit about habits of success and how you can change your habits to improve your life. My saying for 2020 is that anyone can become a CEO of their own life. This is not a saying just for me. This is a saying for everybody I work with and I know. If you're wondering how to do it, how to change your life for better this year or at any time of your life, my solution is simple. You have to become the CEO of your life and destiny. How to do it? How to change your life? How to live the life that you want? Let's talk about it today. Many YouTubers and social media influencers talk about what their morning routine and habits are and what the morning routines and habits of successful and rich people is. It is most of the time a buzzing information that you have to wake up between 4 and 5 a.m. Do not use your phone in the first 2 hours of the day, exercise, meditate, journal, make a gratitude list, make a goal list, and many, many more. What is important with all that is to start the day with a positive attitude. How you can do that if your habits for a long time was just waking up, grabbing your phone, and messing up literally the whole your day. You need to do it one step at a time, you know? I would love to cover all the steps in one video, but then we're gonna talk about 1 hour and I don't think that you're up for it. So today let's talk about habits. Habits that you're repeating on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Habits that are rules. Those are rules, your attitudes, your practices that you're doing habitually. You are used to doing them. However, you know that some of those habits are not fitting well the lifestyle you would like to have and the life you want to have. Those habits need to be destroyed as habits and become non-existent things in your life. Yeah, easier said than done. I've been there, done that. And I know changing habits is a time-consuming process. What do you need to do to actually change your habit? Okay, step one, you need to define which habits you do not want to have in your life, which habits you would like to get rid of, which things you see and know that are simply destroying the life you want. For example, if you want to be fit, but you tend to sit on your couch and watch TV daily for several hours, that's not a good habit for getting fit. Step two, you need to define which habits you would like to acquire in your life. If that's waking up early at 4 o'clock in the morning and exercise, do it. If it's something else, simply let me know what kind of habits you would like to acquire. Put it in the comments below this video. Whatever habit you want, just give it a try and keep it on doing and happening for a while. That gets me to the step three. The step three being the fact that an old habit can be crossed out from the list or a new habit can be added to the list only when it's truly habitual. Best-selling authors and international psychologists say that you need 21 days to change the habit, get rid of the habit, or add a new habit. I give you and I challenge you to try it for 30 days. 30 days to stop doing things you've listed on the step one, and 30 days to repeat daily the actions that you listed on the step two. Step four, to make a true change in your life, you need motivation. You need to answer the why question. Why do you want to quit that habit? Why do you want to do something new habitually? Why do you want to exercise, meditate, or wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning? I'm like, gosh, seriously? Is it just because rich and handsome do that? That's not enough. You need to find the why that resonates with you, that is deepest feelings, that is just feeling across all your body. Only then your why will truly motivate you to change your habit. And you know what? I will give you the fifth step. This is the last one. It's gonna be helping you to make easier change or actually exchange of the old habit into the new. It's much easier when you're, of course, super motivating and exchange bad habit for the new. Instead of watching TV, you will go exercising or walking. Instead of drinking coffee, you will drink green tea. Whatever exchange works for you, use it. When you're getting rid of something in your life and you want to change your life, you cannot leave an empty hole in your habits. Put immediately something new, something that will boost your creativity, that will wake you up. Put there something, a habit in the place, a habit that will add you more, help you truly become the CEO of your own life. And if you want, you can always contact me, have a call, and let's chat simply about how you can change your habits and how I can help you that you become a CEO of your own life. If it's something else, simply let me